Namaste everyone. My name is Eesha and I'm a trainer with the Shri Shri School of Yoga. And today we are going to do a short session on mudras. In a regular practice, we often do asana, pranayama, dhyan, but we sometimes skip the mudras. These mudras are not only postures or gestures that we make with our hands, but they have a deeper impact on our body. These are science-backed and they affect not only our body but also the mind. For example, some mudras help us to improve our digestion, strengthen our immunity, and they also help us to handle the stress that we feel sometimes because of our overwhelming and busy lifestyle in today's times. So let's begin. Let's sit with our eyes closed. We start by chanting Om 3 times. Breathe in for Om. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. Now we'll begin with Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra. This mudra helps you with mental clarity, improves your focus and concentration. It also helps you to improve your memory. Join the tips of the index fingers and the thumbs together. Place the hands on the knees. Your palms are open to the ceiling or to the sky. The rest of the 3 fingers are open. Let's sit with our eyes closed and continue with long and deep breaths in and out. Keep a gentle smile on your face. And slowly you may open your eyes. So now we'll do the second mudra, which is Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra is very good to improve your immunity, your eyesight. It helps to reduce your fatigue and weakness, which in turn keeps your energy high, and that helps you to keep your stress levels low. So for Prana Mudra, let's join the tips of the thumbs and the ring finger and the little fingers together. The rest of the 2 fingers are open. Hands on the knees, palms are facing up. Eyes closed. And continue with long and deep breaths. Continue. चालू रखेंगे. And slowly you may open your eyes. Now we'll do the third mudra, which is Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi Mudra is not only good to improve your physical stamina, but it also improves your emotional strength. So for Prithvi Mudra, let's join the and the ring fingers together. Keep the rest of the 3 fingers open. Eyes closed. And take long and deep breaths in this mudra. And slowly you may open your eyes. So once you're done with the mudras, you can do a meditation after that. If you really enjoyed today's video, like it, share it with as many people as you can, and subscribe to the Shrishi School of Yoga YouTube channel. Namaste.